Morning, guys and girls. If you were watching the last video, I was painting this car here, and I got a few coats of base coat on it. I noticed there's a dent in the roof. It's a small dent, but now it's time to fix it before we put clear on it. It's right in here, so gotta fix it, gotta prime it, and then we'll probably put one more coat of base coat on this whole car, and then put some clear on it. So let's get to it. There's a little high spot right here, so I'm gonna tap it down, and I think this is where the brace is. The brace is actually pushing up on it. Yeah, you can hear it. It's almost there. It feels pretty good. This is a piece of 400 wet and dry paper with a little 8-inch block. I'm just gonna drag this over the top here to see what that looks like now. If there's still a high spot, it'll pop right up. You can see the two little spots here. Might not even need any filler on this. It feels pretty good. You get these little balls on here from the paint. You clean them off. Otherwise, they'll make scratches. They're still a little high. Still a little high. There's a little spot behind it. It feels pretty good. I can put a little water on this, makes it easier to stand. I'll get a better view of it. As you can see here, I'm starting to break through the surfaces that's under here. Um, hmm. It looks good and it feels good. You put some water on it, you can stand back. It's got some shine on it because it's wet, and you can see that it looks pretty good. I think we'll put a coat of sealer on it right there and let it go. So because this has been sitting for a few days, I'm gonna have to go around it and scuffy it up with some thousand paper. Just put some scratches in it so that the next coats will stick to it. If you go on wet, you don't have to worry about it adhering, but it's been too long for it to properly adhere. I put some sealer on it, and I'm really glad I fixed it before I put the clear on it because I would have screwed the clear up pounding on it with a hammer, but I'm glad it turned out to be nothing, or a little something. No big deal. So stay tuned, and next time you see me in this car again, should be putting some base coat and clear on it. Um, hope you enjoyed this stuff. If you find it interesting, subscribe, like, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.